of the world is grey, it's not just black and white. Dawn and dusk along, it's not just day and night. That's what I've always understood, but you made me think again. It's hard to believe what you said when you opened your mouth back then, because you're wrong. You're just plain wrong. How can you think that? What planet are you on? Thought there were two sides to every coin, but that belief is gone. Oh, thanks to you, 'cause you're just wrong. Through your eyes and I see it through mine. But it's not just blind faith with you, it's just plain blind. It's generally wise to see the other point of view. For you I'll make an exception, for you it isn't true, because you're wrong. You're just plain wrong. How can you think that? What planet are you on? Thought there were two sides to every coin, but that belief is gone. Oh, thanks to you, 'cause you're just wrong. There's no point in trying to change your mind, and I don't want to fight. There are two sides to the argument. You're wrong and I'm right. I won't ask for credit, I won't say I told you so, 'cause anyone with any sense should know that you're wrong. You're just plain wrong. How can you think that? What planet are you on? Thought there were two sides to every coin, but that belief's gone. Oh, thanks to you, 'cause you're just wrong. Yeah, you're wrong. You're just plain wrong. How can you think that? What planet are you on? Thought there were two sides to every coin, but that belief is gone. Oh, thanks to you, 'cause you're just wrong.